Hello friends, welcome back. I am Rehman Bhamani. Mr. Yashwant has requested for an opinion on Tata Chemicals for long-term investment. So today we will be discussing about Tata Chemicals. Before the start of the video, let me give you a disclaimer that this is only for educational purposes and I am not recommending to buy or sell any particular shares through my videos. I am just giving my opinions. So Tata Chemicals, as the name suggests, it is a chemical company and it is the third largest soda ash manufacturer in the world, and it is sixth largest sodium bicarbonate manufacturer in the world. It has more than 13 million farmers in contacts in India, and it has been ranked among top 25 India's most innovative companies in 2019. Friends, this all information I am giving you from the company's latest annual report, which was annual report for the financial year 1920. Friends, we are on the BSE's website where we will be looking at the shareholding pattern of Tata Chemicals Limited. Tata Sons Private Limited is holding 31.90% share in the company. Tata Investment Corporation Limited is holding 5.97% share in the company, and others are holding very minimum 0.08%, 0.03%, and very minimum share in the company. So in total, the promoter and promoter group is holding 37.98% share in the company. Now let us also look at the public shareholding. In total, 40 mutual funds are holding Tata Chemicals Limited, and the total comes to 12.04%. Foreign portfolio investors, 158 foreign portfolio investors have invested in Tata Chemicals Limited, and they in total are holding 12.28% share in the company. Banks and financial institutions are holding only 0.03% share in the company. Insurance companies are holding 12.54% share in the company. So in total there are 19 insurance companies which are holding this share, which includes LIC of India, which is holding 7.12% share in the company, and United India Assurance Company is holding 1.24% share in the company. So public shareholding is 62.02% share. Friends, all this data was as on 31st December 2020. Now let us also look what the mutual funds are doing, for which we'll go to the trendline.com. Again a disclaimer friends, I'm not promoting this website. So here you can see the mutual funds were holding 39 million shares in March. In April they were holding 43 million shares, and in May they were holding 44 million shares. It was almost stable till September. Then after, in October, November and December, they have sold the shares and the holding has come down to 30 million shares. Here you can see that it was in negative, so the mutual funds were selling this share, and here it was in green, that means the mutual funds are buying this share. Now we are on Money Control website where we will be looking at last 5-year income statement. So starting with the sales, friends, all these figures are in crores of rupees. The sales in 2016 was 14,872, and then it dropped down to 10,346, then 10,269, then 10,336, then 10,356. So friends, you can see that the sales is not growing. It is almost near 10,200, 10,300 levels only. The sales are not growing for the last 4 years. And let us also look at the profit figures. So the profit in 2016 was 917, then in 2017 it was 1105, then in 2018 it was 1510, then in 2019 it was 1063, and in 2020 it was 1032. So the profits also are not growing. The profits in 2016 was 917, and in 2019 and 2020 also it is 1063 and 1032, which is almost same for the last 2 years. So the net profit is also not growing. And let us also look at the quarterly figures. So we will look at the last 5 quarters starting with December 2019. In 2019 the sales was 2623, and if you see for December 2020 it is 2606. So the sales has actually reduced if you compare December to December. And here also it is almost stable, 2378, 2348, 2609. So it is almost in the same range. Plus if you see the net profits, it is 204. This is a little very much higher because of a special thing happening in the company, which I'll cover in a few minutes. And then in June 2020 it was 74, in September it was 121, and December 2020 it was 194. So you can see the profit for December 2019 was little bit higher than the profit of December 20. So in 1 year the company has not actually grown. The net profit has reduced. Now let us see why this thing happened of 6433. For this, I'll take you to the latest annual report of the company. This is the annual report of the company. Here on page number 290, the company has clearly said that there was a demerger of consumer product business unit of the company to TCPL, which is nothing but Tata Consumer Products Limited. So they have demerged a subset of the company which was consumer product business, because of which there was a profit of 6,220 crore. So because of this there was an exceptional profit of 6,220 crore. So this is not a normal thing that you sell a part of your business. This won't happen every year or every month. So this was a one-time profit for the company. So now let us go back to our analysis. Let me show you the growth ratios. So this is 3 years CAGR of sales. Again, this is for the last 5 years. In 2016 it was, the growth was 0.05, then it was in minus. The sales was not growing. It was in minus 19.32, minus 22.74, minus 16.63, and in 2020 it was 0.05, which is very very low. And also 3 years CAGR net profit percentage, the growth of net profit in 2016 it was 22.56, in 2017 it was 16.97, in 2018 it was 36.79, in 2019 it was 7.69, in 2020 it was 3.35. This is in minus. So the net profit has actually reduced. So according to me, when the sales are not growing, when the profits are reducing, you should stay away from this kind of companies, because you don't know whether this company will perform in the future or not based on last 5 years performance. Friends, all this analysis is based on my personal views. So according to me, you should not invest in this kind of company for long term purposes. Friends, I'm not saying that I will be 100% right, but these are my views. If you have any other opinion or any other views, do let me know in the comment section. Friends, if you have any questions, or if you want me to make a video on a specific topic or any particular share, do let me know in the comment section. I will try to make a video on that particular share. And if you like my video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends, so that they will also know where you should invest and what all things to check before investing in a company. And do subscribe to my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and hit the bell icon so that you will receive all the future notifications of my video. Thank you.